Advanced document editing services. Is the layout, font, or background getting damaged while editing documents with online tools or AI? Is the edited part getting caught when you zoom in? Then this video is for you. In today's video, we talked about how advanced document editing services are done professionally and manually without any leaks or flaws. We do not use any ordinary automated software. Rather, we work at the pixel level through Adobe Photoshop and Acrobat to maintain 100% originality of the document. Magnifying glass tilted left, why is our editing completely invisible or invisible? Pixel-perfect font matching. The size, typeface, and color gradient of each character are perfectly matched. Complex background and watermark protection. Change text without destroying the background texture or security watermark at all. Paper fold and texture detailing. The edited part blends with the paper by adding 3D matching and realistic noise. All format support. JPG, PNG, PDF, scanned copies, even blurry or folded photos taken on mobile phones can be edited. Hammer and wrench, what we edit. Name, address, date, amount, or signature of any document including invoices, utility bills, pay stubs, letterheads, visiting cards, academic transcripts, business contracts. Special note, we do not edit passports, driving licenses, or government ID cards of any country. Briefcase our service packages. Basic, $10. Simple JPG or digital PDF editing. Standard, $20. Medium quality hard or blurry documents. Premium, $30. Very complex texture, watermark, and folded paper editing. Sparkles, do you have any doubts? We offer the opportunity to watch a demo on live video call. Pay only when you are satisfied with our skills. We support crypto, PayPal, Wise, Western Union, and bank transfer worldwide. Telephone receiver contact for live demo and order. WhatsApp +880-17887-16077. Website tuner.com.